Hello everyone, I am the Guardian. Let's search for those in need of first aid.
I fell down when I took the stairs. My hand is injured and my ankle is sprained.
Don't worry, the Guardian is coming to give first aid. Make ice packs for reduce the swelling. Apply ice packs for 30 minutes every other hour. Wrap the wound with an elastic compression bandage. And then pad your wound. Ida 4. Clean the wound with Ida 4 first, as the wound is small and relatively clean without much bleeding. Then wrap the wound with gauze for protection. Watch your step when taking the stairs.
Thank you, Guardian.
You're welcome. Is it right to keep running even with a sprained ankle? You are right. That's not correct. You're awesome. Congratulations on winning a badge. Let's search for those in need of first aid.
Flying insects got into my ears, and my eyes are bothering me too.
When there is sand on your hands, the sand will get into your eyes if you rub eyes. Slide up to pull the eyelid out. Apply some eye drops to wash the sand out. Do not rub your eyes if the sand fails to come out. See a doctor immediately. Flying insects love the light. Find them and lead them out along the light. Great job! The flying insects are all out. Let's search for those in need of first aid.
My hand was scalded by the boiling water. It hurts.
Your skin is red, swollen, and free of blisters. This is a mild scald. Don't worry, the Guardian is coming to give first aid. Rinse burn area with clean water for at least 10 minutes to cool the wound. If burn area is large, you can submerge burn area in cold water for 10 to 30 minutes. sterile gauze, scald ointment, cotton swab, scissors. Scald ointment can be applied on mild scald for skin recovery. Cover the wound with sterile gauze for protection. Better not to wrap it too tightly. A kettle with boiling water is too hot to touch. Let's search for those in need of first aid.
I feel dizzy and thirsty.
Dizziness, sweating, and weakness all over are symptoms of heat stroke. In case of a heat stroke, keep away from dirt. Take off your thick coat, trousers, and hat to cool yourself. Use a fan to cool yourself. If you have a heat stroke, drink some electrolyte drinks or salt water to replenish fluids and electrolytes.